Hey guys, Brandon Greba here, owner, founder of West Georgia Cornhole. We're in our headquarters here, warehouse shop location, west of Atlanta in Winston, Georgia. So this all kind of started and got founded in my garage, two-car garage back in 2008, 2009-ish as a hobby. You know, kind of started doing these things for friends and family, and kind of quickly knew that I could kind of accelerate it and make a high-quality product, which we were doing, and then kind of turn it into a full-time gig. So quit my full-time corporate job, which I was excelling at. It was a real tough decision. So 2013 is when we did it. After that, just started hiring people, started investing in machineries, the newest technology, investing in people, getting good quality people in to produce a good quality product. And here we are today. We got 20, 26, 27 people, ranging part-time, full-time. We're just able to purchase 15,000 square foot building early this year. So just continue to invest and continue to grow the business. So what kind of separates us from kind of some of our competitors, you know, we utilize some of the latest technology as far as how we apply the art to the actual cornhole boards. It's a UV direct print process. Some of our build process is a little bit different than most. And then, you know, definitely utilizing the CNCs and the machinery we got from Laguna. And as far as customers, we got a few different markets and customers that we utilize. You know, we got the direct to consumers. Then we got some of our distributors, a lot of promotional distributors and things like that we deal with. And then we have a few retail locations that we have our product in. So yeah, some of the bigger name customers that we've had in the past. You know, we do a lot with some corporate stuff. These games go well for gifts and corporate items like that and giveaways. So we've done work with Atlanta Braves, Google, Visa credit card, Fox Sports, Sweetwater Brewery is a local brewery we do a lot of stuff with. They're real supportive of us and we like to work with them. So things like that. Alaska Brewery, a lot of breweries and stuff we like to do with it because the games go hand in hand with, you know, people drinking and people having fun and hanging out and wanting to get people interactive. So yeah, so our process of finding a CNC and get to the point where we are now, you know, like I said, it all started in my garage. So, you know, I was back in the day hammering these things out with, you know, a hole saw, 6-inch hole saw, killing my wrists, snapping my wrists and stuff, and that thing would tangle up. And we went to drill presses trying to drill these holes out. We had panel saws cutting out 4x8 sheets of plywood. You know, everything under the sun, just trying to keep up with demand and try to keep quality up. We knew that a CNC would kind of solve all those problems that we had. Another big thing was safety. You know, the safety of using all those different machineries and things like that we did use. The CNC could kind of alleviate that, plus speed up our process, the safety, and then just get the quality down. You know, we knew we could repeat that same cut and that same process over and over again. It's gonna be exactly the same time versus, you know, hiring somebody new in that kind of had to get them up to speed. So it just kind of made our entire process and got to the point where we are now so much easier, and we couldn't do it without it. So when we originally were shopping for CNCs, we, you know, we had a budget. We were smaller when we got our first one. Our first one was actually not a Laguna. It was a smaller brand. You know, it was real basic, didn't have a vacuum table, no tool changers or anything. So then we went shopping for the Smartshop 2. We knew exactly what we wanted. So we went shopping and we compared to a lot of other companies out there. There's probably about 3 or 4 different ones that we were comparing to. And then Laguna just, you know, put a package together. I think we bought it during the March Madness sale. So it was, we got a dust collector, some tools, things like that. So, and the vacuum pump. So everything was kind of a good value with Laguna. So that was the Smartshop 2. And then we had bought that probably 2 or 3 years ago. And then fast forward couple months ago, we bought the newer Smartshop 2. Once we were shopping for that one, we knew that we liked Laguna again, so we didn't even bother going to shopping out on anybody else as far as for the second one. So those things are rocking, they go all day long. To get us to the second one, we couldn't keep up with demand. We were running 2 shifts on the CNC now. The first CNC, we knew we had to do something. So that's when we had to pull the trigger, invest again in a new CNC. So now both of them are running almost 24/7 on 2 CNC machines. So we might see a third one coming here soon. So yeah, the CNCs with the speed and efficiency, it's second to none. I mean, we honestly could not do it without the CNCs. I mean, if we had to go back and start cutting these things on panel saws and hole saws, it'd be absolutely impossible. Wouldn't be able to keep up with demand, the quality wouldn't be there. So I mean, it's literally a deal breaker to have them. And even more so having that second CNC machines. If something happened with the first one, we have the second one as a backup, which nothing's ever happened to them. It's a safety precaution, but we couldn't do it without Laguna. So we do some non-standard stuff. You know, this is a job that we got for Jägermeister, so they're actually bottles that'll be cut out in the shape of the Jägermeister bottle, and then we'll print the actual Jaeger bottle on it. So we'll be going to a promo for those guys, giveaway type stuff. So a lot of different requests that we get other than just your standard cornhole board. So yeah, I would absolutely recommend Laguna to anybody that's looking for a CNC. We've actually had some people, actually Laguna's customers or potential customers, come in and kind of look at our stuff and ask questions to us. I've had phone calls for recommendations and stuff, so I'm always looking to praise them. They've been good to me with any issues we've had. Very, very minor issues, but call them up. Easy to get a tech on the phone or create a ticket. Definitely recommend them. So if you're in the market, feel free to call me up, shoot me an email, ask me about it. Come by, we'll give you the rundown on them. Yeah, so one of the biggest things that I would give advice to anybody that's looking to start a business or take the next step and get a piece of machinery or whatnot, educate yourself. Always be educating yourself, whether it's educating yourself on the next piece of machinery, the next technology, just how to be more efficient in your business, be more streamlined. There's classes out there, there's online classes, go to your local chamber of commerce, there's things out there you can get involved with. But just keep educating yourself. You can't be complacent with just the status quo. Always be challenging yourself, looking for new opportunities, new products. So that's kind of what we do here and what we'll continue to do.